Welcome to Stayflexi, the world's most innovative and all-in-one platform for hotels and vacation rentals. Hi, welcome to Stayflexi. Today we'll be covering the most important aspect of our property management system, housekeeping module. If you see on the top, housekeeping module will be in the fourth icon. You can see the logo there, it represents the housekeeping. If you see here, there is this dashboard with a bunch of housekeeping statuses. And the most important statuses are dirty and clean, obviously. And within the dirty, you can have a dirty stay over, dirty checkout, which I'll quickly explain. In the same, you have a clean and clean occupied. Let's take an example of this property. This property has around 70 rooms, and today looks like the property is 100% occupied, and so that's why this is like so today it's end of the day, and all the rooms are dirty because either the guests are checked out or the guests are staying through, which means the room should be cleaned or flipped over. So this is how the dashboard would look like. Since there are no clean rooms because everyone is occupied in all the rooms, it's 0. And clean occupied means there is a stay over cleaning and it's already cleaned, and then the guest is fine, and the cleaning is only for tomorrow. So today is the cleaning is done. That's what the clean occupied means. It's 0 because it's not yet cleaned. And the third status is dirty, which means maybe the guest has requested, hey, I need a room cleaning. So then you explicitly go on, mark the room dirty, and then that is the status. And then system automatically puts this dirty stay over status when there is a stay through reservation. What exactly is a stay through reservation? If a guest is staying from let's say today to day after tomorrow. So for tomorrow, if you see here, it will have the room in the dirty stay through, which means that the guest has been staying for a day and you need to clean the room. So this can be configurable. Some hotels will have a default everyday cleaning. Some hotels might have like hey, clean only once every 2 days or once every 3 days. So I mean, in some hotels they might even have like don't clean until the guest is checked out. So it's all about how you configure the property, but the default is like the system automatically puts it every day as the guest is staying through. So today there are over 13 stay throughs, which means 13 reservations are staying through the tomorrow. That's why there is a dirty stay over. The dirty checkout, which means guest is checked out. We need to do the full cleaning, and there are over 55 checkouts today, and it clearly indicates that hey, all these 55 rooms needs thorough cleaning. So the difference between dirty stay over and dirty checkout is, as the name says, these 55 guests have checked out, so it is a full cleaning, deep cleaning. This 13, these guests are still staying in the room, so you don't have to do the deep cleaning. Maybe some touch-ups and sheets changeover and just a floor, and that's up to your standard processes of cleaning. So if you click on any of these tabs, you can see the details of all the rooms which are for stay over cleaning. If you have the staff configured, typically for the bigger hotels, if you have more than 100 to 200 rooms, you might have the floors and the housekeeping manager. So housekeeping manager might have given some rooms to some staff to clean, or the floor level or the room category level. Then you can see the staff names here, and staff can even put their remark as part of the cleaning, right? So the staff configuration can happen here. If you see here, there is this thing called room assignment, and during the property onboarding, again, if you are a really big property, our Stayflexi support can help you with configuring the entire housekeeping module for you, so how you want it to run and everything. So if you have a staff configured, the names will appear here, which means that that particular person is responsible for the cleaning. So once they have done with the cleaning, they will let you know that, hey, like, yeah, I have done with all the stay over cleanings. Then all you have to do is like check everything and then go here and mark them clean. So that way the system puts back the rooms to clean status. So they will appear here. Let's say your staff name, some John cleaned only 2 rooms, and then he called the front desk and then said that, hey, I cleared 110 and 116. So you just check those 2 rooms and then mark the rooms clean. So it's very easy. So the same thing can be done on the mobile app as well, which I will cover in a separate video. But for now, you can clearly tap on anything and then mark the statuses very easily. So here in this case, dirty checkout, you can, after the cleaning is done, maybe the housekeeping staff come with a housekeeping charter to you saying that, hey, everything is done, clean. Then you can just pretty much click everything and then mark them as clean. So in the same drop down, you can see other statuses as well. So let's say there are clean rooms already, and the guest called and then said that, hey, I want, I think some my coffee is spilled on my bed. I want it to be changed. So in that case, you can actually click on the clean occupied room and then select the specific room where the guest is complained, and then you can mark it as dirty. You can even put some comment saying that, hey, so the coffee spilled, and then you can call the housekeeping staff and then ask them to go and clean it, and once they are done, you can put the status back to the clean again. So it's very easy. And then you have this other status as example. The most important one is out of order, like something really broke in the restroom, the guest restroom, right? So maybe the water is leaking, so you would like to put the room in out of order. So you can either do it from here directly, because this is something housekeeping department work. The housekeeper, the staff notified the front desk manager, hey, so this room should be out of order, the water is leaking. And then as a manager, you can quickly go here and select that room and mark out of order. So that room, no more reservations are allowed until the room is completely fixed and everything is ready to be sold. So most of the operations, what you can do for your rooms are pretty much easily doable from this housekeeping module here. You can even export the report. Let's say you have a bigger property, again 200 250 rooms. You want to basically download all the dirty checkout and give it to the housekeeping supervisor. You can do that again, like by selecting everything here. You can just click one of these export options and take a printout and give it to the housekeeping supervisor. So some of our hotels use it that way. And we have a housekeeping grid view. By tapping on that, you can see the house status. The previous view is a report view, but this is like kind of like house status view. And the room wise, you can see the red means it's dirty room. You can see if there are like clean rooms, you can see them in the green color. Let's say the 101 is the clean, and then the staff told you that, hey, 101 is done. You can actually turn it to the clean in the before the reports view as well, and the same thing you can do it as well. So it's a kind of a preference which view you wanted to use. So the benefits about the reports view is we can do the things in bulk. In one shot, you can mark everything clean. In this view, you have to do it like one by one. So as you mark the clean, you see the symbol is changing here from red to green. And this blue means this room has a stay over, which means the guest is staying in the room. The green means it's clean room and it's not occupied, so you can make a reservation there. So since it's a live hotel, I'll just put it back to the dirty status where it was before. And then the moment you put it back, you see the color changes to the red color. So that's really quick about housekeeping and housekeeping flows. It's very easy, and there's nothing complicated here. It works for a smaller property, it works for a larger property, and there is a mobile app as well. In the mobile app, we will cover more useful flows. It comes in handy for the housekeeping staff to use the mobile app to mark the rooms dirty or clean from the app directly, instead of calling the front desk manager and all those back and forth communications. We really hope you like this video, and we'll come up with another video of another module. Until then, take care. Thank you.